Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can add an image to your boards, lists, and cards on Trello really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever needed. So drop a like and now let us get started. So as you can see, I'm inside that workspace here on Trello. What you want to do, guys, is select the board, of course, in the first step here on the left-hand side, and select, for example, a card from, let me go with that card here for demonstration purposes. From that list, left click on the given card, and what you want to do after that, guys, is pay attention to that panel here on the right hand side. One of these features is called attachment. So if you'd like to add an image or photo to that card here, simply click on attachment, and after that you may, for example, click on that button here, choose a file, and locate the given file on your computer. So let me do that really quickly. To upload it, let me upload a simple photo like this. Wait for the uploading process to be finished. You will see the process or the progress, sorry, here in the bottom left corner. And after a brief moment, the given file will be attached to your card. You can also, oh, there you have it, for example. It is now displayed here inside the card's history or activity history, so that you can, for example, click on it to get a better overview of it, or download it, or remove it, delete it, or yeah, do whatever you like with it, leave comments. And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.